guys, this is Chris and I am bringing you a review today of this D.va Overwatch gaming chair. Here it is, here are the cracks, here are the noises that it brings. And the reason why I wanted to review this chair is because when I bought it, I read a lot of great reviews and I really was hoping that it was gonna be great. It looks great, it's wonderful, but it has a lot of problems no one told me about. So I'm going to list those problems before you buy this expensive ass chair. I ended up buying this chair when it went on sale on syndrome.com. I think that's the name. I'll have it down here. And that website has a bunch of really cute stuff. They're awesome. They're great. So they had a deal for the chair. It was like $320 and then they had more in stock, so it ended up being down to $280. So, and you can't use coupons on it. I ended up buying it for $280 because I've been eyeing this chair for like maybe a year now, or it's been a long time I've been eyeing this chair. So I decided that since I had a new job, I was gonna splurge and buy it because I really needed a gaming chair because my tailbone was hurting sitting on a plastic chair. Yeah, I was sitting on a plastic chair on the floor on a beanbag. So I ended up splurging on this chair. I don't know where it flew in from, but it got here pretty fast. So the assembling wasn't too bad. I wish I had video of that, but it was pretty easy. I thought I was missing a piece at one point and I'm like, I don't see this piece. Where is this piece? And it was a piece from holding up the chair and the wheels at the bottom, but ended up not needing that piece. It was just, I guess the directions were really off from that point. So I'm like, okay, whatever. Let's get into the chair and more details on how it works. I've had this chair now for about 2 months. The first thing that I can't stand are these handles here. These handles move like all around. So if you're playing and you're gaming, it goes all over the place. So they're not steady. So the pillows are really comfy. They're really comfy. It's just this one little pillow always falls off because there's nothing holding it in place. The wheels on this chair have been falling off like crazy and I keep trying to fix it. I can't put glue in it because it needs the other part to be intact and free flow because it's so unsteady. I feel like it's gonna break anytime. With continued use, it's gonna break down. It does feel a little cheap. I did see some little, when I first got it, it had like a little hole dents, but then it really bothered me too much. But guys, I really don't recommend you buying this chair unless you have money and want to splurge on it because it's really cute and it'll be really good addition to your collection or your stream. Go for it. But I regret buying this chair. I fell into the hole of its cuteness. I should have just went for one of those other big pro gaming chairs that I probably could have gotten for $280, like a bomb.com one, but it's okay. It's okay, I learned my lesson. Not gonna buy any more cute things. If you guys have any questions that you wanna know about this chair, feel free to comment below and I'll answer them to you. I did review this chair and I put my complaints on the website and Syndrome gave me, I think, 10% or 15% off my next purchase, which is really nothing. I don't know the return policy, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a biatch to return because it's so massive. And then you have to like put everything apart. No. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hopefully you found this review useful and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this chair. I will answer them honestly, guys. But it's a really cute chair, guys. It's a really cute chair. So I'll see you around.